Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook tortang kangkong. So, we need and then guys, na ako'y kuan, pasayan, ako gis pinupinupod. Pero optional ra ni siya, pwede walay pasayan. Pwede po mo butang og ground meat kung gusto ninyo. Pero pwede itlog ra pod. Okay, so naamang ko'y pasayan, so ako lang ibutangan. So, garlic powder, onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of black pepper, and then a pinch of salt, and then green onions, 3 eggs. Okay. Okay. 3 eggs. Okay, and let's mix the salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and then the onion powder, the green onions. Okay, ito sa ni is scrambled guys. Gonna add the shrimp. The kangkong. Okay guys, so we're gonna mix it. Na guys, I add one more egg guys. Okay, so it's ready. Okay guys, 2 tablespoons of flour, okay guys, so we're gonna fry this one now. Okay, let's make 3. Okay. Let's make 3 as our last batch sa atong tortang kangkong. Look at that one. Okay. Okay, guys, so that the oil will absorb. Okay, and then we're gonna put it here. Wow, one, that's our tortang kangkong. It's done. Okay, so I'm going to taste it. I'm going to taste this, the small one. Okay. Okay guys, it's very yummy. So I'm gonna taste without ketchup or any kind of sauce do you want, okay? Yummy kay guys. Yummy ako eh. Yummy kay sauce sa kanon. Okay. I'm gonna dip. Yung kung imo kuan tuslob sa ketchup lami. Kundi po nimo ituslob lami lang gyapon. Lami kay siya. Araw ba ko kasuy ani lami din ni tortang kangkong. Basta inaningan pagluto. Okay guys, so it's very yummy our tortang kangkong guys. It's super yummy. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at D Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, D Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.